Trivia means small, interesting facts or pieces of information that are not very important but are fun to know. Trivia. Trivia. Many people enjoy learning trivia because it is fun and surprising. Trivia can be about almost anything, such as animals, countries, movies, or inventions. Although trivia facts are usually not important in daily life, they can help people learn new information and start interesting conversations.